In this week's edition of the Business Review, we focus on medical disposables and supplies, a company listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Here's Aisha Nation.
Medical disposables and supplies. Now, the company began operating out of a car trunk, and in 2000 it established a location at Westminster Road. In 2001, the company established its second location at the Domes Business Complex. Now, I'm standing here today in a 27,000 square foot building where the company is now operating. But
that's not all. Kirk Booth is the chief executive officer of the company.
There is a building that we acquired next door, so we occupy that for additional warehousing. We still occupy 4 units at the Domes, which is a mixture of offices, bulk storage, and we have another logistics contract for one of the multinational companies that we represent. And lately, our growth has taken us further down the road to lease a satellite warehouse.
The company is a distributor of healthcare and consumer products with a wide catalog that spans pharmaceuticals, vaccines, hospital supplies, medical disposable items, as well as consumer and skincare products. And the market for these products?
We caught the eyes of industry players, and we were able to land considerable or sizable contracts, and which we have worked with our international partners and grown those contracts exponentially. So we represent some of the largest drug houses in the world today, and from that we transitioned into over-the-counter items, which led us into another market or another segment. So we're not only going to pharmacies and hospitals and medical centers, we're also in supermarkets, we're in wholesales, we're in small shops.
In its 9 months ended December, the company recorded revenues valued at $2.8 billion, an increase over the same period in 2021. But despite the increased earnings, Mr. Booth explained that the company is still facing challenges caused by the COVID-19 pandemic.
We had to fight to stock up on items to maintain adequate supply for the marketplace, which resulted in some overstocking. So right now the company is somewhat overstocked as a result of that. So we have to be applying strategies to liquidate the stock.
Mr. Booth says the bulk purchases maintained the company's revenue inflows, but absorbed a bulk of the company's cash. He, however, noted that with the liquidation of the stocks, revenues will normalize from a staff complement of 1 to over 100 employees. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.